Today, I would like to share with you really exciting news. We finally have the first electric scooter shop in New York City that has high-performance electric scooters in stock. The FLUIDFREERIDE shop opened up recently and has the newest Wolf line and Nami VIPER scooters. Let's take a closer look at the shop and talk with Craig.
Hey guys, welcome to FLUIDFREERIDE New York. I'm Greg. I want to take the opportunity to show you our new shop that we just opened up. So where you're standing in right now is the retail area. This is where we have an outlet of scooters that are open box. You can pick up some great deals on some really awesome rides from our lineup. For new scooters, you can also actually have them shipped here and have us take a look at them as well. You can see some of our customer repairs here, as well as our warehouse of open box units we haven't quality inspected yet. We carry a large variety of parts and accessories and inventory. You can see some, unfortunately, sad scooters, but ones we're working on. And here we have our workshop, which is really nicely appointed. It's a full electronics workshop with really well-trained mechanics who have a high attention to detail. You see our mechanic Q right here. We're going live out.
Stage presence. We have energy. Oh man.
And yeah, we hope you like our shop. We hope it offers some value to all our New York customers and makes your life easier.
You can find here from entry level all the way to the motorcycle performance rides, accessories for your scooter, and full service. This thing is, wow, it's really cool. You wanna get a helmet? Holy shit, that thing is really fast. Holy shit. Just spins the tires.
Yeah, I love
Yeah, this thing is awesome. This is insane. Wow. And it looks like it's so much fun when you like glide in the back with the back wheel.
I love it. I love drifting around.
The shop is located on 216 Frost Street, Brooklyn, zip code 11211. You can also demo the scooters here. I picked up recently the Mantis Pro and full review coming soon. Also, Nami VIPER will be next. Guys, the cool part is that with Mantis Pro, I hit 39 miles an hour top speed with 215 pounds weight. Mantis Pro has an awesome range. I'm still testing to get accurate numbers, but I managed to get one time close to 30 miles in range at high speeds, and the battery was still not completely drained. Overall, I think commuter-wise, this is the best performance versus weight size scooter today. So guys, stay tuned for the full review coming soon. Here's a comparison between the Nami VIPER and the Mantis Pro. So here we have 1000 watts, and look at this monster. I'm actually bring them closer to each other. Look at this, guys. So they're next to each other, and Mantis Pro I know weighs 65 pounds, and I like it for two reasons. One, weight and performance. It has the same performance as the 010X 60 volts 21 amp option, so it has actually more range because it's lighter, and it feels faster because it's so much smaller. So performance wise, you'll get faster than 0X, weighs less, and feels much more comfortable. I think for commuting this is the ideal scooter. And here versus Nami VIPER, look at this. So Nami VIPER weighs 100 pounds, and we're about to check the composition of the tubes. I think this is aluminum, and let me actually try to lift them up. 100 pounds? 65 pounds. It's the better water. You can see the bearings. The bearings are right there.
And there's like 3 settings menus.
And that goes from the front and from the back, right?
The advanced setting is like the power split and everything like
okay.
that.
So you balance front and back, so it's
Yeah,
all...
exactly. I think the amperage, like the peak amp limit, temperature limits and stuff like that. I think I maxed everything out because I wanted to go quite quick.
To see,
4 on the front, 5 on the back in terms of acceleration. And then I forgot exactly what this is for, but I think this is like the peak amperage for the motors. And then I honestly forget the rest of the settings, but
Actually,
I turned on the turbo though.
Oh, this is really cool.
It's like an extra boost on the top end, I think, to go like 60 plus.
Wow. So, you know, this is the cool thing is when you get a product, you get the manual, you start reading, and you discover new things, and you play with it, and it's so much more fun because it doesn't get old, you know, it's like always going to be...
Especially one like this where you can really tune the ride characteristics, it's really nice. You know, you have the suspension you can tune and the settings. With that, you can really fine tune it to your riding style.
Yeah, of course. I like the deck is so wide, there's so much space, you can actually really...
Yeah, which is nice for me. I have size 15 feet, right? So,
wow.
Yeah, so it's always hard for me on the scooters. I'm like hanging off like a monkey or something.
Plenty of room here, yeah.
So it'd be a little nice for you.
Guys, this thing is massive.
So guys, this was all for today. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.